Hi Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame Soulmate and Love Connection Energy reading. With me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot for the month of September 2021. Also Scorpio, this reading is a general collective energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Scorpio, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. Any of those messages may resonate with you. And if this message resonates with you, Scorpio, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment in the comment section. I'll definitely appreciate that. And on today's reading here, Scorpio, we are going to be looking at both your energy and your person energy. And then towards the end of the reading, I'll be pulling some channel messages from your person. So please stay tuned until the end of the reading to get some channel messages from your person. Alright, so let's look at into your reading here, Scorpio. On this side here is your energy and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Looking at the sign that I've got coming up for you here, Scorpio, I'm getting a very strong fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini, as well as, yeah, that's all. Fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, and air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now let's look at into your energy here, Scorpio. I'm getting a very strong energy of wanting to go and get something new. Here's what I'm getting coming up, especially with this world energy and the full energy that I've got coming up for you here, Scorpio. I feel like you are ready for any new experiences, for any new journey to come in here for you in terms of your love situation here, Scorpio. With this full energy coming up is that you're actually ready to take up or to jump into any new opportunities that will be coming up into your way and closing up the chapter from the past. With this world energy that I've got coming up here, I feel like you're just like done waiting. You just like cannot going back and forth about, you know, like all of these issues and all of this connection between you and your person. This is also why I've got the Knight of Wands energy and the Hangman energy coming up here. Again, I keep getting the message that I've got coming up for you here, Scorpio. I mean, like this is what I feel like the energy that I'm getting coming up from yourself is that I'm tired of waiting. So I feel like you are already in that particular mindset here, Scorpio, that okay, this is it, like I'm just like done waiting, that if until the end of the September that they haven't come back into your life, or at least they haven't made any type of effort or any type of communication, I feel like you've already made up your mind here to just like move forward and just like go ahead with a new person, which I feel like with this Knight of Wands energy coming up here, you are also ready from that. So to compare of like waiting and just like being stressed out, being frustrated and just like not sure when things are going to get better, or just like not sure when things are going to be changing, like just waiting in this how do I say, like waiting without having any confirmation, just like waiting in void, I would say. Here is something that you are this is something that you cannot take it any longer. Here is what I'm getting coming up here for you, Scorpio. The advice that I've got coming up for you here is that because the full energy that I've got coming up for you, this is basically you taking up a leap of faith and looking out into new opportunities, or looking out into like any new person to come in into your life here, because I do see like there is definitely going to be some new person coming in here into your life, Scorpio. But at the same time here, with this Knight of Wands energy coming up here, I feel like make sure that you know what you're looking for, because the energy at this point of time that I'm getting coming up from your side here, Scorpio, is that you're just like looking for either a rebound relationship or just looking for like a quick and fun thing, I would say here. So make sure that make sure that you know what you're looking for, I would say here, so you won't get hurting again at the end of the day. Now let's look at into your person energy here, Scorpio. I've got the Three of Pentacles energy coming up here. I've got the Strength energy and the Eight of Cups, and I've also got the Queen of Swords energy coming in here as well. The first thing that I'm picking up coming up from your person here, Scorpio, is that they have a very strong mother issue. Again, this could be their mother, could be their father, but in general here I'm getting like some sort of like a family issue or family upbringing, especially for those of your partner here who does not really or did not really have any good relationship with their mother here, Scorpio. With this Queen of Swords energy coming up here, they do not know how to even handle their own emotion. And I'm also getting a very strong like harsh communication, or just like in a way that the communication between both of you here, Scorpio, has never really been going on too well. It's like either on and off communication, unnecessary fight, unnecessary misunderstanding. Like there is just always one thing or the other. And I feel like this is something that your person is also realizing, that I'm getting a very strong separation at this point of time here, Scorpio. Like I said before, you are tired of waiting. And on this side here is that your person is also having this very strong ego energy coming in here as well. It's quite interesting because I've got the Eight of Cups energy coming in here. This is basically them making up a decision on walking away, on leaving things that are no longer serving them anymore, and then coming back with this Strength energy coming up here. I do see some changes coming up here from your person, even though I'm not getting any significant changes, even though I'm not getting like any strong and fast changes coming up here, but there's definitely some improvement is what I'm getting coming in here from your person. And the most interesting part here is that, Scorpio, with this Three of Pentacles energy coming up here, communication is coming in, and I feel like they are going to be asking you to meet them, or just like some sort of like either face-to-face communication for those of you who are living near each other, and for those of you who are currently being separated by distance, this could be talking about communication through online. With this Three of Pentacles energy coming up here, there will be, or they are thinking about calling you again, or they are thinking about communicating with you here, Scorpio, to ask for another chance. But it's quite interesting here is that you are on this side here, Scorpio, you're actually ready to move on. You're actually ready to let go of all of this energy, because you cannot take it anymore here. Now let's look at into the channel messages from your person here, Scorpio. Let's see what they want to tell you here. I've got explore your creative side. I've got self-love, work on inner self, and release the anger. So they know, I would say here, they definitely know that you are quite angry at them. I've also got forgive and let go energy. So I feel like they have, like I said before, they have gone through a certain period of realization, I would say here, where they actually realize about how much of pain and how much of burden that they've been to you here, Scorpio. And another thing that I've got coming out from them here is that they do understand that you're still angry at them. This is why with this forgive and let go energy coming up here, they want to communicate with you, or they are coming back, or they are wanting to apologize towards you, I would say here. They want to apologize towards you here and want to reunite back with you, but I'm not really sure if you're actually ready to accept them back here, Scorpio. So this is also another thing that you have to take into the consideration. Another thing that I've got coming up here is that with this self-love and work on inner self and explore your creative side here, I feel like because of this separation between both of you here, they have enough time here to actually look within themselves here, to improve within themselves, to actually heal themselves and work on themselves is also another thing that I've got coming up here, Scorpio. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if this message resonates with you, Scorpio, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye-bye.